I bring you New Year's greetings. This is Prophet Raphael Grant. I want you to understand that in this new year, it's a year of restoration, it's a year of establishment, it's a year of inheritance. And I want you to understand, according to Isaiah 45, the verse number 2 and 3, the Bible says that He will make the crooked path straight, and He will level every mountain, and He will break the bars of iron and break the bars of gates. And the Bible says that He will give you treasures in darkness and riches in secret places. I want you to understand that in 2011, you are going to inherit every treasure in darkness and every riches in secret places. God will lift you up, crown you with glory, beauty, and splendor. 2011 is a year of divine speed. It's a year of divine acceleration, and God will do tremendous things with you. Don't forget, right here in Eagles Chapel, we are having a 21 days of fasting, starting from on the 2nd of January to 23rd of January. And we are meeting each night from 5 to 6 p.m. to pray for an hour and to seek the face of God, because we want to start this year right. And we'll be crowning the 21 days of fasting with Word Explosion Conference. And our guest is Apostle Felix Oko from South Africa. You don't want to miss it for anything from 21st to 23rd, 7 p.m. each night. You cannot afford to miss the worship. The praises is explosive, is powerful. It will take you right to the presence of God. And so where you need to be from on the 2nd to 23rd of January is Eagles Chapel, where the action is. God bless you.
In this year, don't worry about those who are ahead of you. Don't worry about those who will overtake you. But there is something that will come upon you. Even though you are coming from behind, even though you are coming from behind, you will have the acknowledgement, you will have the recognition that those who have gone ahead of you. The reason is because the battle is not to the swift, and the race is not to the swift, and the battle is not to the strong. The Bible says that it is not of him that willeth or of him that runneth, but it is of God that showeth mercy. It means that in 2011, it is not going to be by your might, and it is not going to be by your power, and it is not going to be by your strength, and it's not going to be by your connection and your contact and your know-how and your credentials, but it is purely going to be by the mercy and by the grace of God. And so it doesn't matter who is ahead of you, and it doesn't matter who is saying what God has purposed, what God has planned, what God has determined. It is that alone that will stand. It is that alone that will prevail, because this year God will exalt your horn like the horn of the Jericho. This year I came to announce to you that in 2010 the crown, they deprive you of the crown, but in 2011 the crown will be fixed on your head, because the crown belongs to you. If you believe it, look at somebody and tell the person, the crown will come upon my head. The crown will come upon you.
For more information regarding Eagles Chapel International Ministries, please contact us at telephone number 770-941-1934. If you would like to attend one of our services, our address is 6289 Bankhead Highway, building number 6, Austell, Georgia 30168. If you would like to visit us online, you can do so by going to www.eagleschapel.com or www.facebook.com/Eagles Chapel. You can also subscribe to us on YouTube by going to www.youtube.com/Eagles Chapel TV. We would like to thank you for tuning into Eagles Chapel, where the action is. God bless you.